Greetings, my name is Sanjin and I'm here to tell you that the global ecosystem of bees is in a decline. Wild bee populations are shrinking and domestic beekeeping keeps getting harder due to emerging diseases and climate-related stressors. These beings pollinate a third of the crops we eat. Beekeeping happens to be one of humanity's oldest and most noble professions. A key problem our beekeepers face is the increase in swarming year by year. Swarming, you see, is the event of a large group of bees, along with a queen bee, leaving their original hive to form a new colony elsewhere, whilst leaving a weak part of the old colony at the original hive. This means a loss of bees for our beekeeper. The beekeeper might even catch the departed bees later, but risks bringing back diseases and infecting other hives. Now, if you were to record sounds within a beehive and visualize them on your computer, you would see these beautiful harmonic sound waves. Turns out that these sound waves look a little different if you record sounds within a colony that is either swarming or preparing to swarm. Formally, we say this as the acoustic signature of a swarming colony versus a non-swarming colony is different. Human ears, however, just wouldn't be able to notice these differences. So what we did is we acquired these recordings from swarming colonies, and our next step was training algorithms that we thought would be able to detect these differences. So, how did that go? Our best performing algorithm had an impressive 93% accuracy result. This means out of 100 times, 93 times, when our beekeeper gets alerted that his bees are about to swarm, he can just split his colony into two before they swarm, briefly nurture both parts and get two new strong colonies. Let me take this from the top. We went from a loss of bees due to swarming to a 93% chance that our beekeeper will be ready and can get a whole new colony out of swarming. If you were a beekeeper, by now you would probably be thinking something like, this is one of the coolest things ever. Well, yes, because it is. Making subtle technological solutions like this one easily accessible to our beekeepers might be our best chance at tackling this crisis. Now, this was my 3MT, and I hope you learned something.